Hey guys, in this video, we're looking at GCSE Biology, focusing on active transport. So sometimes substances need to be absorbed against a concentration gradient, for example, from a lower to a higher concentration. This process is lovingly referred to as active transport. Root hairs take in minerals and water. So the cells on plant roots grow into hairs which stick out into the soil. Each branch of a root will be covered in millions of these microscopic hairs. This gives the plant a large surface area for absorbing water and mineral ions from the soil. Plants need these mineral ions for healthy growth. The concentration of minerals is usually higher in the root hair cells than in the soil around them, so the root hair cells can't use diffusion to take up minerals from the soil. Minerals should move out of the root hair cells if they follow the rules of diffusion. The cells must use another method to draw them in. That method is a process called active transport, and active transport allows the plant to absorb minerals from a very dilute solution against a concentration gradient. This is essential for its growth, but active transport needs energy from respiration to make it work. Active transport also happens in humans, for example in taking glucose from the gut and from the kidney tubules. We need active transport to stop us starving. So active transport is used in the gut when there is a lower concentration of nutrients in the gut, but a high concentration of nutrients in the blood. When there's a high concentration of glucose and amino acids in the gut, they diffuse naturally into the blood. But sometimes there's a lower concentration of nutrients in the gut than there is in the blood, and this means that the concentration gradient is in the wrong way. The same process used in plants is used here, known as active transport. And active transport allows nutrients to be taken into the blood, despite the fact that the concentration gradient is the wrong way. This means that glucose can be taken into the bloodstream when its concentration in the blood is already higher than in the gut. It can then be transported to cells where it's used for respiration.